today to raise the prisoner of war missing in action flag. We do so in honor of those who were taken prisoners or otherwise unaccounted for in various wars and conflicts throughout the history of our nation, and to ensure that they are never forgotten. Although the POW-MIA flag was originally adopted by the National League of Families to represent the missing servicemen from Vietnam and Southeast Asia, it has since become a symbol which serves as a constant reminder of the plague of nearly 82,000 men are still missing. 82,000 men are still missing from World War II to the present. Many of the missing made the ultimate sacrifice while serving our country, but unfortunately their remains were never returned for an honorable and proper burial. As a result, families of the missing are left to wonder. Yes, there has been hundreds of remains that have been recovered and returned, but the progress is agonizingly slow. We, as a nation, owe no less to our veterans and their families. If we elect to forget our past, then we are doomed to repeat our past failures. Therefore, as we raise this flag, the members of Rolling Thunder, Florida Chapter 1, ask you to never forget those service members who are still unaccounted for. Never forget those who made the ultimate sacrifice in defense of freedom and their nation. Never forget our country's disabled veterans. At this time, we will raise the POW-MIA flag.
Detail, reason.
By an act of Congress, the POW-MIA flag is the only flag that can legally be flown under the American flag. All other flags, such as the state flag, must fly under the POW-MIA flag.
Stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets spread glare, the bombs bursting in air gave through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
The major function of Rolling Thunder Incorporated is to publicize the prisoners of war and missing in action issue, to let the people know that many American prisoners of war were left behind after all previous wars, to help correct the past and to prevent future veterans from being left behind should they become prisoners of war or missing in action. We are also committed to helping American veterans from all past conflicts and wars. Thank you.